MrBeast, one of the top creators in YouTube who on average gets 100 million views per video, who has over 240 million subscribers, who may also have the best production company dedicated to YouTube, whose video is watched by people all around the world, still exports video in 1080p. Yes, see this, all of his videos are in 1080p resolution, every single one of them. And there are channels with 3000 to 4000 subscribers who post 8K to 16K videos in YouTube. Check my channel for instance, I edit and upload videos in 4K. So why is this dude who is like the genius YouTube mastermind posting just 1080p content?
If you knew what I knew, you could get 10 million subscribers within 6 months.
We might not really care about this in the first place, but this guy mastered YouTube and gains millions and millions of views every single day. Just look at this post by MrBeast. That is 292 million views in the last 48 hours. And when it comes to revenue wise, it's almost $1.2 million earned within 48 hours if all of those views are not from the short form content. And also, he has a dedicated team of people who closely watches every single metric in YouTube Studio and constantly experiments with it just for some extra 1000 views. So the team actually knows what works and what doesn't. But YouTube nowadays is all about quality, and resolution also have a huge role in it. But still, why is Jimmy not uploading videos in 4K or 8K? I have been a loyal subscriber of MrBeast for the past 3 years, and I almost figured out why he uses this 1080p strategy. Reason number 1 why he does this is mostly because of the YouTube autoplay option. Nowadays, while we open our YouTube app or even hover our mouse over a video in the YouTube website, the video automatically starts to play, and it has been a feature since 2018. And in order for the video to play properly, it should be in a lower resolution. Maybe we have set it to default, or in most cases it will be in 4K resolution. So while we open the YouTube app or the website, all the video data gets downloaded depending on the service provider as cache data, and that's how the autoplay starts to happen. And it really takes time for our viewer's device to download this data and autoplay it as a preview. Well, I'm not talking about the devices which are connected to high-speed Wi-Fi networks or about the people who are living in cities. There are many viewers from poor countries who watches MrBeast videos. And for Jimmy, every view matters. And that can be one of the reasons why he uploads in 1080p. But wait, there is another reason too. And editors can easily understand this because working on a lower resolution file is actually satisfying. There are no lags, there are no software crashes, video playback is smooth, file sizes are normal, rendering time is also less. And another thing that I found out with 4K or 8K videos is that the more we add CGI or the special effects in the video, people can easily spot it due to the quality of the video. Whereas in 1080p, it's hard to spot the difference as everything blends well and the resolution is also low. And MrBeast uses many special effects in his video, and it's easier for his editors to edit the videos in 1080p resolution. This part of the video is for you, my dear friend. So if you are any type of content creator who is struggling to edit, render and view higher resolution files, don't waste countless hours perfecting the video resolution. Instead, work more on the video quality, which is the way you showcase your work and the way you tell your story through your art. Also, you can check out some of the assets from this video on our Ko-fi or Patreon page. It really does support the channel, and for more exciting news and updates, join my newsletter. I will add them in the description. Don't forget to subscribe as it really helps the channel. I wish you a beautiful day, and I will see you in another video.